This is Papa Kehte Hain. There are 4 chords in this song. The first chord is C major. Second is A minor. You need to take your third finger under your middle finger. It becomes A minor from C. And then after C, it's a F major. I remove my middle and third finger. And my second finger is on second string first fret. Just bar it. And then middle finger on third string second fret and third finger on fourth string third fret. This is F. Do not strike sixth and fifth string for F. And from F, if you want to go G, you remove your first finger. Now this is your middle and this is your ring. Toss your middle finger up. Take your ring finger down. Make some gap. Put it in the corners of third fret, which means middle finger, sixth string third fret, third finger, first string third fret. Now if I put my first finger, it has to come down on fifth string second fret. This is when you make a triangular shape of G chord. Your right hand pattern is going to be down, down, up, up, down. Again, down, down, up, down. Now I will play. Each chord gets one round of it. C, A minor, F, G. I'll play in the flow.